Hi my dear students, welcome back to online class. Last class we see about the diagonals. 1.2 diagonals of cube and cuboid. That means rectangle. Okay va? Now in this class we see about the 1.3 properties of 3D shape, 3D objects. Okay va? You already know very well what are the 3D shapes ma? Yes, that is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. These are the what? This is the 3D shapes. Now we are learn about the properties of 3D objects. Okay va? First one, pick out the shapes with curved surface, flat surface and curved and flat surface from the given picture. Now look at this picture ma. Yes, this is the classroom. Image of the classroom. Okay va? Now we want to take and write the first curved. Okay va? Change the spelling ma. Printing mistake. Okay va? Curved surface. Now in this picture say the object that we are in curved surface. Okay va? Yes, clock is curved up. So this is a curved surface. So inside the box write clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Okay va? Now next, yes, very good ma, globe. Okay va? So this is also what? In curved surface, isn't it? No. So here write globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe. Okay va? First one clock and second one is globe. And what is the next one? Yes, water can. Water can also what ma? Is in curved surface, isn't it? No. So here write water bottle, W-A-T-E, or water, B-O-T-T-L-E, water bottle. Okay va? This is our curved surface. Next, flat. Say the flat surface ma. Very good. The first one is what? Blackboard. So first one write blackboard. Blackboard. Okay well, this is in flat surface, isn't it? No. Okay, next one. What is the next ma? Yes, table. Table is flat surface, isn't it? No, this is a flat surface. So write here table, T-A-B-L-E, table. Next, yes, chair also what? In flat surface. So write the chair. There are many more objects in flat surface ma, but the 3 is enough. What are the other objects in flat surface? Yes, duster. Okay, notice board. Isn't it? No. This is in a what? In flat surface. Okay va? But 3 is enough ma. Okay va? Now the next one is both curved and flat surface. The object having the both curved and flat. What is this? Okay, which object having a both surface, curved and flat ma? Yes, you are right. Clock. The clock having both surface, isn't it? No. There are. So this is curved and here this flat. So write C-L-O-C-K, clock. The clock having both curved and flat surface. Understood? Now next one, complete the table by counting the sides, corners and diagonals. Okay va? Now look at the tabular column. Diagonals of the given 3D shapes. Now look at the tabular column ma. Yes, they are giving the 3D shapes. 5 3D shapes, that is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Okay va? And their name giving here. Okay va? Now we want to write the number of sides. Now you say the example of cube ma. You already learned in a previous class, no? Yes, what is the example of cube? Yes, dice. Okay, va? Isn't it? No, dice is the example of cube. Okay, now you count the number of sides ma. How many sides having ma for cube? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back side 6. Okay, va? That is top, bottom, front, back and left and right. Okay, va? Now how many faces ma? Very good. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the cube having how many sides? Yes, very good. 6. So put here 6. Same like that. Cubite. Say the example of cubite ma. Yes, very good. That is pencil box. Okay va? The pencil box is the good example for cubite, isn't it? No. Okay. Now count the number of sides ma. Same like that cube. Okay va? That is top, bottom. Okay va? Top, bottom, front, back, left, right. Understand ah? Top ma, bottom, front, back, left side and right side. Okay va? So totally how many sides ma? Very good. 6 sides. So put the 6 here. Okay va? Next cylinder. Okay ma, cylinder having how many sides ma? Yes, see here, this is a cylinder. Okay va? Now the cylinder having how many sides? Very good. This is one side ah. That is a curved surface one side and the flat surface is another one side. So totally how many sides ma? 2 sides. That is 1 and 2. First side and second side. Okay va? So totally 1 and 2. Totally 2 sides. Okay va? So put the 2 here. Okay va? Next cone. Cone having how many sides ma? Yes. This is a cone means how many sides they are having? Yes. There is only one side. Isn't it? No. So cone having only one side. Okay va? Spear. Spear example is ball, isn't it? No. Ball is the good example for spear, isn't it? No ma. So in this ball, how many sides ma? Yes, you are right. There is only one side only having, isn't it? No. So the spear have only one side. So put 1 here. Okay va? Then number of edges. What ma? Number of edges. Okay ma? Now we want to count the number of edges. Okay ma? What does mean by edges ma? Edges means nothing. That is number of lines. Okay va? That means this is one edge and this is one edge. This is also one edge and this is also one edge. Okay, that is the number of lines. Now here see ma, how many edges are there? That is 1. That is 1. This is one edge. Okay va? So this is one edge. So 2. So this is one edge. Okay va? So 3. So this is one edge. Okay. 4. Okay. Same like that here. 5, 6, 7 and this is 8 and here 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally how many lines are ma? That is how many edges? Very good. 12. So write here 12. Same like that. Cube 12 means cuboid also what? Cuboid also same 12 only. Because the number of sides is same no for cube and cuboid. So only the number of edges also same for both. Okay ma? Let's we check ma. See here, this is a cuboid. So count the number of edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and here 12. Clear? Is that clear ma? So number of edges in cuboid is 12. Okay ma? Write it out. Okay, next one. Number of edges for cylinder. Okay ma? In cylinder is a rolling object, isn't it no? Cylinder is a rolling object. Rolling object, isn't it no? So for rolling object there is no number of edges. Okay va? So put slash. Same like that. Cone also what? Rolling object, isn't it no? So is there also no edges. Sphere also rolling object. The ball is rolling, isn't it no? So sphere also no edges. So put slash. Clear? Okay, now number of corners. What does mean by corners ma? Corners means nothing, that is a midpoint. Okay va? The two edges meeting point. This is edge, isn't it no? So two edges meeting point is a corner. Okay va? Let's we count ma. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, finally 8. So how many corners ma? 8. So cube for 8 means cuboid for also? Very good, 8 only. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Okay, next one, number of corners for cylinder. Okay va? Cylinder for the, is there any corner ma? No, because this is a rolling. Top to bottom is there having a what? Same shape. So for cylinder no corner. So put slash. Cone. Cone for how many corners ma? Yes, only one corner. So put 1. Sphere for no corner. So put slash. Okay va? Next, number of diagonals. You already learned in a before page, isn't it no? Take ma. Number of how many diagonals will there have in cuboid? 16. Very good. And number of diagonals for cube? 16. Okay va? So wrote here number of diagonals for cube 16, cuboid for also 16. Okay va? Next, cylinder. Number of diagonals for cylinder. Is there a no edges means? No diagonals also not possible, isn't it no? Okay, no edges means diagonals also not possible. So put slash. Okay va? Cone for also what? Not possible. So put slash. Sphere for also what? No edges. So put slash. Understood ma? Is no edges means the diagonals also not possible for any objects. Okay va? Finished Understand ma? Okay. Now take the next page. Page number 5. Okay va? Follow the given steps. Follow the given steps and draw the 3D objects. Okay va? Now we want to draw the 3D objects. Okay, first one cube. Okay va? Here giving the step C ma. The first step is draw a box. Okay va? The line must be join the dots. Okay va? First one box. The next step 2 is first box we draw it and From the midpoint of that, draw another one box. Okay, va? First draw a box. From a midpoint, draw another one box. And finally, join the corners. Okay, va? Let's start. First of all, take the scale. Okay, va? Take the scale and draw the box like this. Draw neatly, ma. Okay. Draw a box. Okay, va? From a midpoint, draw another one box. Okay, va? The last step is for what, ma? Join the corners. That's all. This is what? Cube. Finally, we draw the cube. That's all. Easy, no? Like the same way, cubite here giving C. Same like that, ma. First here we draw the square for cube. For the cubite, we draw the rectangle. Okay, va? First draw a rectangle. Okay, from a midpoint, draw another one rectangle. And finally, join the corner. Listen carefully. Okay, rectangle finished. From a midpoint, draw another one rectangle. Okay, then finally join the corners. That's all. This is what? Sorry. This is only cubide. Understood? Okay, now take the next page. Same like that, cylinder. Cylinder means first draw the two curves. First one curve, next another one curve, then join this corner. Okay, va? Same like that. First put the curve like this. Your curve must be join the dots. Okay, va? Then join the line. Join the two edges. That's all. This is a what? Cylinder. Then cone. Cone means first draw a oval shape. Okay, va? Then draw like this. This is what? Cone. Okay, va? Next sphere. Sphere means draw a circle. Then here one curve, here one curve. Circle draw it. Next here one curve, here one curve. That's all. Okay, va? Finished, ma. Understand? Now 1.4 tangram. 1.4 tangram. Here giving the definition of tangram. See, a tangram is one traditional Chinese puzzle. This is one mark, ma. Okay, this is a one mark. Tangram is a traditional Chinese puzzle. Okay, va? This is one type of puzzle, ma. This puzzle is made up of a square. Okay, va? Divided into 7 pieces. In tangram, how many pieces? 7 pieces. This is also one mark. Okay, va? 1 mark. So, tangram is a Chinese puzzle. This is made up of squares. Okay, va? That is 7 pieces of squares. Here, see, ma. 7 pieces giving, yeah. Okay, what are the 7 pieces? One parallelogram. Look at this picture. One parallelogram and one square. Okay, va? Here, see. This is square. So, one square, one parallelogram and 5 triangle. Here, see 5 triangle having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that only that 7 pieces. That is one parallelogram, one square and 5 triangle. Okay, va? So, now that can be arranged. So, 7 pieces arranging means that is one design come. One particular design come. Isn't it, no? Now, here see, ma, the first image is square. Isn't it, no? Square. The square is made up of a cut into 7 pieces. That is tangram. The second one is what? 7 pieces having a. So, the particular 7 pieces drawing means here creating a fish design. Okay va? Now here see, tangram rocket, tangram dancing girl, tangram house. Okay va? Okay, clear? Tangram is a Chinese puzzle ma. This is divided into 7 pieces. What are the 7 pieces means? 1 parallelogram, 1 square and 5 triangle. That can be arranging means one particular design will be come. Okay va? We can make figures of animals, peoples and many things. Okay va? Based on the 7 pieces, using the 7 pieces, we can create any images of animals, peoples and many things. Is that is possible? Okay va? Now taking the next page ma. Tangram rocket. Tangram means what? How many pieces? Very good. 7 pieces ah. So count ma. The 7 pieces will be having a see. One. That means 1 parallelogram ah. So parallelogram having a. Okay. Parallelogram number what ma? 2. So put here 2. Okay va? Next 1 parallelogram and 1 square. Where is the square ma? Yes, here. Square having a. The square number what? 4. So put 4 here. Okay. Then 5 triangle having a see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Having a. So put 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here giving a. So 5, 6. According to this picture, you want to write the number. Okay va? Same like this. Dancing girl. Okay va? The first parallelogram. Here. So parallelogram number 2. So put 2 here. Next square. Here having square as. So square number 4. So put 4 here. Okay va? Next 5 triangles are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put the number 1, 2 here giving. So 3, 4 also here giving. So 5, 6, 7. Sorry ma, here I did one mistake. Okay, 2 having a. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay ma? Same like that. Parallelogram 2, square 4 and 5 triangles. 1, 3, 5, 6 and this is a 7. Okay va? Same like that. Here also we want to complete. Okay va? This is one your homework ma. Okay va? This is house. Tangram house, tangram boat and tangram swan. Okay va? Understand amma? Okay. Tangram house are first. Parallelogram. Where is the parallelogram? Here. Yes, here. So put the number 2 here. Okay va? And give the which color ma? Green, light green. You want to give the light green for this box. Okay va? According to this before page picture, you want to give the color here also. Okay va? Parallelogram means light green. Next, where is the square? Yes, here. Square means the number 4. So give the dark color green and put the number 4 here. Okay va? Then 5 triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangle having a. So put the number ma. 1, 2 here giving. So next 3, 4 also here giving. So 5, 6, 7. Understood ma? According to this, give the color ma. Okay va? That means 4. 4 for dark green. So give the dark green. Okay va? Give the color. This is the must. Okay. Then 2 means light green. So give the light green here. 1. 1 means what? Red color. So give the red color for here. Okay va? Next. Same like that. Boat. Okay va? Where's the parallelogram? Here. So 2. Next square 4. Next 5 triangle pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Same like that here ma. Okay ma? And give the color according to this. Okay ma? Same like that you want to give the color. Next swan. Okay, parallelogram 2, square 4 and 5 triangle pieces. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's all. Over. And finally give the color. Understood, Amma? And this is also what? Activity. Collect or make a set of tangram piece with the help of your parent, teachers and elders. Okay, the first one, see, here one images will be given, ma. We want to cut into 7 tangram triangle pieces. Okay, va? Only triangle. In this tangram, they are here using what? Parallelogram, square and 5 triangle, isn't it? No, but here we want to use only triangle. Okay, va? That means 7 triangle we want to cut. Okay, va? For example, see, 1. Okay, va? Next here, 2. Okay. Okay, 1, 2. And this is one triangle. And this is one triangle. And this is one triangle. Okay, now cut the triangle this like. This is one triangle. Same like that here. Now count the pieces, ma. How many pieces are there? 7 triangle having a, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Understood? That's all. Next step. Okay, you first cut the 7 triangle pieces and make the image this like. Okay. Next, this is your activity. Okay, now second one, use pieces 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, number 1 image is what, ma? Yes, triangle. And number 2, you know very well, that is parallelogram. 3 also what? Triangle only. Next, 5 also what? Triangle. So, only 1 parallelogram and 3 triangle. We want to use this 4 pieces only. Okay, va? You cut this like, ma. 1 triangle. Kamita. Next. This is one triangle. Next, parallelogram. Okay. So, this like. So, this is a parallelogram. Isn't it? No. So, this is one parallelogram commit and remaining 3 triangle. That is 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3 here. Understand, Amma? This is a parallelogram and this is 3 triangle. Okay, va? You first cut the pieces and join this, make this shape. Okay, va? Okay, this is your activity. Rabbit, telephone, various shapes of your choice. Okay, well, this is and all your activity. Okay, now take the next page. Page number 8. Okay, wow. 1.5. Tessellation. Okay, wow. Now, what does mean by tessellation means? This is created. The tessellation is created when the particular shape is repeated over and over. This one particular shape is repeated means, okay, wow, over a plane. Plane means what, ma? Flat surface. Okay, wow. In a flat surface, one particular shape is repeated over and over again means that is called tessellation without any gap. Okay, va? Without any gap, one shape is repeated over and over in a flat surface, that is called tessellation. Okay, va? For example, in your house there are having you using a tiles, isn't it? No, the tiles is fixed in a flat surface without no gap, isn't it? No, without no gap. So this is also one tessellation. Okay, va? I am reading. See, a tessellation is created when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane. Plane means flat. Okay, va? Without any gap or overlap. Overlap means one by one. Okay, va? That tiles is arranged one by one means that is called overlap. Okay, mama, understand, amma. Next, when you fit individual tiles Together means you are joining the tiles without any gap or overlap to fill the flat space you have a tiled floor, isn't it? No. In your home the tile floor is having any gap? No. So this is also an example for tessellation. Okay va? We have already learned that few shapes. Okay va? We already learned the few shapes, isn't it? No. What are they ma? Triangle, square and hexagon tiles on the plane. Okay va? We use these shapes, we created a tiles. Okay va? But some few shapes are unable to form the tiles. What are they ma? Pentagon, heptagon, that's all. Okay va? Pentagon and heptagon do not tessellate on the floor. This is impossible for the tiles. Okay va? Triangle, square, hexagon, this is not possible. But pentagon and heptagon not possible for tessellate. Okay va? That's all ma. This is one theory. This is one important 1 mark ma. Okay va? This is under 1 mark. I will explain for the revise the 1 mark. Okay va? Now first one, complete the shapes by filling the tiles. Okay va? This is nothing ma. Here one half there itself give it, another half we want to complete. Just using the, what is this shape? Triangle. Okay va? Just down, up, down, up, down. Next what? Up, down, up, down. Okay va? Same like that here. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. We completed, that's all. Okay, then we want to give the color. Okay va? Red, pink, red, pink, pink, red, red, pink, pink, red, red, pink, pink, red. According to this we want to give the color same way, like the same way. Okay va? Next, second one. Just here itself give it ma. You want to just give the color for that. Okay va? Orange inside pink. Okay va? Next, outside pink, inside orange. So here orange, here pink. Okay ma? This is very easy. Do yourself. Okay. Understand here orange ma, here pink. Next one. Draw one more tiles to continue the pattern. Here first one. Pattern ma, this one. Triangle and what is this? Hexagon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, hexagon. Okay, well, first draw the same image like the same way. Okay, wow. First put the star, then join the lines. Draw it. Then we want to draw one more tiles. Okay, well, that is, what is this? Triangle. So this like draw the triangle. Understand, Amma? That's all. Okay. Next, first one box. Next, 4 boxes. Next, draw the same. First, draw the box. Okay, wow. Next, draw another one box like this. Okay, well, so totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, well, draw one more box like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 boxes. Okay, well, next, draw the same here. Okay, first draw the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, then draw the roof like this. This like. Okay, well, then downwards V. Okay, then here draw a line like this and V shape. This shape kamita. Okay, now here draw like this. Okay, that's all. Okay, up to this page the first lesson is over. Next class we see the second lesson. Okay, complete the book exercise. This is your homework. Thank you, ma.